10. KARCHER K5 Premium Full Control Plus. Maybe cleaning isn't supposed to be as stressful as it seems. With the KARCHER K5 Premium Full Control Plus, things are gonna get easier. Developed by the German manufacturing brand KARCHER, this high-pressure washer comes with tools capable of washing away the dirt that seems hard and impossible to clean. There are several buttons on the spray gun that allows the user a trouble-free usage time. Also, you can swap between the different modes to wash your desired object. It has a maximum capacity of 500 liters per hour that allows you to clean 40 meters of surface. Number 9. SUNJO SPX 3500. This one might run the same way as the previous gadget, but it has a high power rating. Manufactured by SUNJO, the modernly designed SPX 3500 is actually a high-pressure washer. The SPX 3500 will come in handy in many ways. You can clean your home, your yard, gates, fences, or even your car. If you have stains left on your barbecue grill, SPX will prove itself worthy there too. The tool is really versatile with the 5 spray nozzles attached to it. The equipment uses up to 3.7 liters of water in a minute with a high water pressure of about 160 baths. Number 8. WIDONTEC MC3. You might be a carnival fan, but I'll bet you are definitely not a fan of the time when the carnival is over. Obviously, big concerts and fun carnivals always leave a large mess behind, which looks impossible to clean, especially if talking about the never-ending area of mess. Even the best janitors might consider it impossible to clean up all the garbage scattered over the vicinity. What you need is a huge vacuum pump to suck up all the waste. WIDONTEC MC3 is the machine used to save up our energy and time. The machine consists of 2 fans situated on the front side that helps in sucking up the waste. Next, they are minced instantly and kept into a tank holding a capacity of up to 10 cubic meters. The company has designed this brilliant model with 3 wheels attached for the purpose of quality and maneuverability. However, the machine can move around the carnival vicinity easily. Also a plus point, WIDONTEC MC3 can also be used on streets and roads to get rid of the garbage within 1 hour at a speed of up to 45 kilometers. Number 7. Traffic Lines Duo Twister. When an airplane lands on the runway, approximately 7 kilograms of rubber from the vehicle's thick wheels get stuck to the surface. The runway surface is either made of asphalt or concrete, or maybe a mixture of both. But if you don't get rid of the rubber remains on the surface, it'll lead to danger. For safety measures, it's important to scrape the rubber, but only vigorous, powerful machines can help do the job. The Traffic Lines Duo Twister from the German manufacturing company Traffic Lines is the ideal option. This beast has an advanced water supply system that offers a staggering pressure of around 3,600 kilometers per square centimeter. It might seem that such forceful pressure can impact negatively on the surface, but no, because engineers have confirmed that, apart from being gentle, the Duo Twister is also capable of restoring the runway's surface texture. Because of its automated joint cover system, the machine can remove rubber markings without causing any damage. The machine sucks up all the dirty water within no time and even reuses it. Can you believe that a single unit can clean almost a 5,000 square meter area spotless in an hour? That's impressive. Number 6. LARUE D97. The LARUE D97 is the perfect companion on a snowy day. Well, the perfect companion for breaking debris into a fine powder in specific. The spectacular attachment was manufactured and schemed to really crush up the big chunks of debris and remains. The D97 model is around 3.2 meters wide and 2.9 meters high. You're supposed to fix it to the bulldozer or front loader, then punch it in the start button and you're good to go. This high-tech beast with an ultimate horsepower of 1050 to 1200 can smash and shatter the snow pieces with an approximate density of 0.9 tons per meter cube, resulting in fine dust. Moreover, the machine tosses the particles at a 55-meter distance. In fact, the machine's casting function can be put to use for making embankments prevailing up to 30 meters high, including a massive capacity of up to 8,500 tons per hour. Well, this makes up to my dream snowblower. Number 5. DOCKBOY Ship Preparation System. This might come in as quite surprising, but ships also need services and frequent cleanups. Maybe not as many as frequent cleanups as cars or other vehicles. Clearly, a large rag and a tank of soap water are never enough to clean a ship, but the DOCKBOY Ship Preparation System has that covered. As you might know, The ship bottoms are expected to be coated with large amounts of rust and other dirt particles. Moreover, the large size and shapes of ships can generate extra problems. But no worries, since DOCKBOY was designed exclusively for carrying out this clean mission. It's a tracked self-propelled machine attached with a hydraulic boom capable of reaching a height of 6 meters, or maybe even a little higher than that. There's a working tool which is 274 to 520 millimeters wide, and there's a hydraulic motor that generates power on the nozzle, which can rotate at a speed ranging from a 500 RPM. DOCKBOY can easily remove the unwanted layers of paint too. Number 4. ESWINGO 200. Imagine peacefully sleeping and waking up to the sound of the street cleaning equipment outside your home. There goes our peaceful sleep. But this Swiss company did everyone a favor by manufacturing a silent cleaning machine going over the speed of 50 kilometers per hour. The most unique feature about the ESWINGO 200 is definitely its noise-free working procedure. This cleaning giant is basically the first fully electric sweeper in the world. With a similarly good battery, as well as a good electric car, ESWINGO can work up to 10 hours or more with only a 4-hour quick charge. The machine that cleans without any interruption is environmentally friendly, as well as quite economical. It perfectly does its job, leaving no crumbs behind. The machine is fitted with several individual sweeping systems. Additionally, it lets the user decide between the 800 or 850 millimeter diameter wide sweeping brushes that are hydraulically adjusted, leaving nothing behind. This innovative sweeping apparatus should be introduced in other countries as well, or let's hope so. Number 3. BOBCAT Sand Cleaner. Next up, we have the BOBCAT Sand Cleaner, a smart cleaner to level out sand and collect all the trash residing in the sand. The American company BOBCAT normally creates unique and noteworthy machines, but this time the company went for a piece of equipment as part of its environmental contribution. At first glance itself, we can identify that the machine is perfect for cleaning beaches. The sharp blade attached on the move digs up all the waste components and debris on the soil layer. This mixture is sent to the moving grind, where the sand gets filtered. Meanwhile, with the capacity of 350 liters, the unwanted particles and waste is moved to a tank. Number 2. Solar Cleaner C4000. Cleaning road surfaces, pavements, and airplane runways require machines with great power to sparkle it up. But they're not only the type of surfaces that need cleaning. Ever wondered how solar energy producing solar panels are cleaned? It might sound like a hard job to do, but maybe with this machine, cleaning solar panels can be a piece of cake. The Solar Cleaner C4000 is a machine made by BP Metal Mechanica. The models such as the C4000 and F3500 are specifically exceptional. Both of the machines are fitted with a telescopic boom, and on top of it, a particular brush is placed for dry, wet, or even combined cleaning purposes. The C4000 is the proper model for photovoltaic panels that are up to 6.5 meters high. Meanwhile, its smaller version weighs around half as much as the other model and is pretty compact. Additionally, it is consistent with brushes up to 4.5 meters long. Still, both machines work pretty well and leave a notable impression. Built-in sensors and other high-tech features are also part of this beast. Number 1. INTERCEPTOR 004. Next up, we have the INTERCEPTOR 004. Perhaps being one of the most intriguing and attractive cleaning machines on today's list, the INTERCEPTOR 004 is a machine manufactured to clean up water bodies. This fabulous cleaning machine that looks like an exclusive yacht or boat seems to make us wonder whether it came from the near future. But the sole purpose of this beauty is to tide up polluted rivers and lakes. The autonomous floating pollutant cleaner was designed to move against the water current and collect all the trash. Followed by that, the trash is moved into the conveyor belt. This moving apparatus instantly divides it into 6 containers with a summed up volume of approximately 50 meters cube. This beauty gathers up 50,000 kilograms of plastic in a day, which is quite the amount, but when the machine is at its best, it can pick up twice the amount of its daily trash. Also, the reason behind its advanced design is because every system of the INTERCEPTOR is automatic. It manages the tank filling and informs the operator. Additionally, this cleaner is 100% solar powered. Smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for more technological updates.